Foods that make you more intelligent. Human brain weighs about 1.4 kilograms. It is about 2% of the total body weight, but uses 20% of the oxygen used by the entire body while at rest. Research has proved that certain kind of foods play a very significant role in improving memory and keeping the brain cells active. It is very important to maintain a healthy food diet, including all the nutrients necessary for proper functioning of the brain. What really is brain food? The food elements that can be called brain food are vitamin B12. It helps in improving concentration and memory. As we grow older, the body is unable to absorb enough of B12 from the food. Taking a supplement of vitamin B12 can reverse the condition. The good sources of this vitamin are milk and milk products, meats, eggs, and fish. Vegetarians have to resort to vitamin B12 supplements to protect the brain from the effects of aging. The other is vitamin B6, found in banana, wheat germ, pulses, brown rice, and brewer's yeast. Promotes clear thinking. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, sesame seeds, soya beans, whole wheat and wheat germ, and pumpkin seeds activate the brain and improve its performance. Citrus fruits and carrots keep the brain alert. Choline, lecithin, and egg yolk improve concentration and memory retention. Because of the excess stress on the body and brain caused by environmental pollution and a reliance on processed foods, most people don't get enough antioxidants. For the ultimate brain protection, supplemental forms of antioxidants are advisable. The brain is a relatively small organ but eats up about a quarter of the energy produced by the body. 10 foods for brain health. First is Brahmi. It strengthens memory, elevates brain functions, increases concentration and mental focus, enhances mood, and reduces the effects of stress. It has been used to provide a cooling effects to the scalp and to relax the nerves. Second is Gotu Kola, traditionally used as a nerve tonic and a general tonic in times of physical and mental exertion. The herb is also used for the ailments of the nerves and mind and memory loss. Gotu Kola has an energizing effect on the cells of the brain and is also said to prevent nervous breakdown. Third is salmon. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain performance. Research finds that omega-3 deficiency can lead to fatigue and poor memory. If salmon is not available, try tuna or halibut. Fourth is avocado. Avocados have high levels of monounsaturated fatty acids, which keeps the nerve cells in the brain healthy. It significantly strengthens brain function. Avocados improve blood supply and oxygen to your brain, improving thinking skills. Fifth is nuts. Nuts have high level of vitamin E, which protects against the age-related Cognitive decline. Many nuts are rich in omega 3 fatty acids. Walnut is packed with vitamin E and omega 3. It also contains vitamin B6, which makes serotonin and norepinephrine, the chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. Sixth is spinach, broccoli, and other leafy greens. Dark leafy greens are nutritional powerhouses. Spinach has been found to slow age-related problems and cognitive deficits. Its high levels of iron improves the function on red blood cells. Broccoli is equally beneficial. It contains vitamin K, which strengthens cognitive abilities, and choline, which improves memory. Seventh is blueberries. A research has found that blueberries not only improve memory but also reverses memory loss. Other than blueberries, raspberries and strawberries, all berries have potent combinations of antioxidants that will improve memory. Eighth is beans. Beans work wonders for your brains. They contain carbohydrates and protein. Ninth is dark chocolates. Harvard University says dark chocolate makes you smarter. Flavanol, a natural compound in coca beans, increase memory and thinking abilities. Chocolates boosts brain's blood supply. 10th is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants as well as zinc, magnesium, copper and iron. The brain uses zinc for nerve signaling, magnesium for learning and memory, copper for controlling nerve signals, and iron to prevent brain fog. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.